Hello everyone. As we have already completed many of the topic from this chapter, let's have a quick glance of the objectives, such as after completing this chapter what we are going to be learn. So we are going to learn how to prepare a computer investigations. We can easily analyze the systematical approach for the investigations. We can describe the procedures for corporate high-tech investigations. We can easily do the data recovery from any of the workstations or the softwares. We are going to conduct an investigations, and we can easily go for how to complete and critique a case. As this is chapter number 2, that is understanding the computer forensic investigation. Since we are completed all such topics, so today we are going to study directly the topic that is media leak investigation. Slide number 26. So media leak investigation. In the corporate environment, controlling sensitive data can be difficult. Yes, but obvious the data with the corporate are very sensitive, and if it is got leaked, then it is going to face a number of crises for that particular organization. So what are the things that we need to consider? The very first thing that we need to consider for this is that we can examine emails. We are going to look for the internet messages. We can look for proxy servers login. We are going to look for the suspected workshops and also for all the telephone records. There are certain steps that need to be taken in order to take the media leaks. The first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to look for the interview. We are going to take the interview privately. That means we are going to get a list of all the employees who have a direct knowledge of the sensitive data, and then we are going to interrogate them. We are going to ask them certain questions with respect to the security of the data or the privacy for that data which has been leaked out. Second thing, we can identify the media source, that is from where the information has been leaked out. Third, we are going to look and go for the company phone records that we are going to use or it has been used through for the media leaking. Third, next we are going to look for the list of the keyword. Now this is very essential part. That means we are going to search for the keyword related media leak. Now what is keyword? For example, if we are dealing with certain organization with respect to data security, and we are get to know that the particular information has been leaked out, so we are going to look only for that particular information and we are going to search for that particular keyword. That means we are going to perform the search on our proxy servers as well as on the email server. The next crucial steps that we can need to take is the disk acquisition. This is the essential thing that we need to do, and also the analysis. Now disk acquisition is the concept to acquire the data from the disk. So we are going to examine the forensic analysis, and then we are going to look for all the email correspondence as well. Even we can trace all these messages. We can expand this particular discrete disk acquisition concept, and we can analyze as much as we can use it, as much as we can get the clue or the evidence, so that we can use it as or we can present it in the court. At the last, we are going to look all the findings. We are going to consolidate and review all the things periodically. That means we are going to look at all the things day wise, weekly or monthly. We are going to look all the findings. We are going to review all the things, and lastly we are going to prepare a report of the findings that we have done. So the last step for this is the reporting. At the end, we are going to, with all the timestamps, we are going to put up all the details and present it as an evidence to the attorneys or to the judiciaries. So here we have done with this topic, that is media leak. Thank you very much. If you have any query, then you can ping me personally.